Good morning, students. Today we're starting a new topic, and it is the second topic for our second term after animal nutrition. The topic is cellular respiration. This is a new topic that you haven't learned even on the previous grade. But what you know is that energy is needed for this process to occur. As you all know that energy is used for growth, cell division, as well as movement. Proceeding to cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a process whereby glucose is gradually broken down in the presence or in the absence of oxygen, which means it can happen with oxygen or without oxygen. Um, there are two processes that are associated with cellular respiration. The first one is aerobic respiration, and the second one is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration requires energy for it to occur, and anaerobic respiration doesn't require oxygen for it to occur. That's the first difference that you should know. If they talk about aerobic respiration, just know that they talk about this process whereby glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen. It cannot happen without oxygen. There are three stages of aerobic respiration. The first one is glycolysis, the second one is Krebs cycle, the third one is oxidative phosphorylation. All this requires energy for it to happen. The process goes like this: glucose 6 is broken down into pyruvic acid, which is 3C3C, and that pyruvic acid is used to enter Krebs cycle. It releases carbon dioxide as well as energized energy. That energized energy goes to coenzymes to produce ATP, which is a carrier. ATP in this process is not released as a byproduct. However, it is used to start a new process, which is anaerobic respiration, because oxygen is released as carbon dioxide. In anaerobic respiration, there is no oxygen that is required, and also there is no Krebs cycle, which means there is no glucose 6, but there is only one pyruvic acid that is produced. Okay, in anaerobic respiration, we only have two processes. The first one is alcoholic fermentation, which is used for beer making and bread making. And then the second one is lactic acid fermentation.